Okay, hi guys, welcome to Wayground. Okay, for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive video using Wayground, which is formerly known as Quizziz. Okay, so we just have to go to Wayground. Very first result, this is the Wayground. So wayground.com, you just have to click it and then just wait for it. Okay, you just have to sign up if you do not have an account yet. But since I already have an account, I'm going to use my own. All right, to make an interactive video, all you have to do is to just click the create button. And from here, you can see the different things you can do in Wayground. So let's click the interactive video. And then you will see three options here. Phone. But for today's tutorial, we're going to use this one. Use any YouTube video. So just click it. And then from here, you can already see the different videos from YouTube. Okay. And you can also check on this popular channels in this side. Okay, there you go. And if you want to be more specific and you cannot see here the video that you want your students to watch, you can just type here, use this search box. Okay, so let's say I want my students to learn about culture. So I will just type the word culture, but I want to be more specific since it's for kids. So we can simply type culture for kids. All right. So from here, as you can see, there's a lot of YouTube videos here. Okay, it says here, drag the edge of the seek bar below the video to trim it to your desired timestamp. So let's say, for example, I want to start this video from this. You can
Leave the food for them.
add in this timestamp, and there you go. But I want to use the whole thing, the whole video. There you go. So let's proceed. This is the video, and as you can see, there's this add a question. So what you can do here is you can play the video as you watch, and if you think, oh, there's this particular idea or thought that you want to test or you want to ask your students, you can already do it here. So let's say, for example, let's play the video.
Hi! What are you guys doing here?
Show and tell our culture.
Frankie, you're standing up there. Do you want to go first?
Okay. Thank you.
Do you have something to show us? Okay.
Can now check this and we can pause this here, and before we can, so that your students, before they continue watching, need to answer your question. So here you can select multiple types of question, either multiple choice, fill in the blank, open-ended, but there are also other types of questions here that you can use only if you avail the premium account. Okay, but for this one, I want to use the multiple choice. You just click it, and then you type here your question. So let's say, which cultural tradition did Frankie show? So is it, let's say, Filipino tradition? Um, let's say Chinese tradition. You can also say um, Korean tradition. Okay, and delete this one so that the students will just have three options. And then make sure you click or check the correct answer, which is Filipino tradition. And then hit on save. There you go. So you already added a question here. It says here, which cultural tradition did Frankie show? Okay, and then you
When she came to
forward this to, let's say,
$100. Why do you do it? It's good luck.
Could you show everybody how to do it?
can add another question here. So a while ago we used the multiple choice. This one we can use the fill in the blank. So the question is, which, which culture tradition, so which cultural tradition did the, I think that's the last guy. Yeah, did the last, which cultural tradition did the last kid show? Okay. I mean, this one, the where the students will write their answers. So make sure you type your the correct answer. So let's say it's Korean. Korean. Yeah. All right. So there's also an option here. We can check this out. Yeah. So you can also put here some hints if you want. Yeah. But for in this case, let's just save it. Okay. So save. All right. And then until you finish, until your students finish the video. So there are two questions here. The multiple choice, the first one, and the question two, we used the fill in the blank. Okay, so this one, after doing that, you can rename the video. So let's say culture, culture for kids. And then it's a social studies and it's relevant for grade. So let's say grade 1 to 5, grade 2. And yeah, public, you can save. Have to do is to just hit on the publish when you're done. Publish. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and keep on using Wayground.